Hello, welcome to this checkmate into chess puzzle. One move for white that'll get you a checkmate in 2. Any other moves is a checkmate in 3 or worse. Here we've got the kings very close together, but white can do reveal checks or start moving the rooks in. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Doing a reveal check by moving your knight to e4 isn't a mate in 2, but it is a mate in 3. Black has to block with their rook, so the king can't move. You can then sack your queen. Black has to take your queen with their queen, and then you can take the queen back with the rook to just mate in 3. Moving your rook to b2, checking the king, doesn't get you a mate in 2 unless the black king takes your bishop, because then you can move your knight in to do the mate. Instead, the king can move up to c3. Now when you do a reveal check, the king has an escape square. Then you can move in the queen to just mate in 3. Moving your rook to c3 is another mate in 3, but not 2. Black can take back your rook with their rook. You can then check the king by moving your other rook to b2. King can then take your bishop, and then you can move in with the knight. Checkmate in just 3 with the rook being pinned by the queen. Moving your knight to d3 is another mate in 3. Black king can't move, so they have to block with the bishop. You can then move your queen to e5, ready to move into c3 or b2. Black takes the knight with the rook. You can move the queen to b2. Black takes the knight with their knight. You can then move the queen to c3. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move your rook to f3. If black moves their knight, even taking your rook, you can then move your knight out of the way to do a real checkmate in 2 with the queen. If black decides to take the bishop with their king, you can then move your knight to b3 to checkmate in 2. If black takes your rook with their rook, you can then move your knight to d3 to checkmate in 2 with the queen. If black moves their rook to a3 to try and block the queen, you can still move your knight to b3 to do the reveal checkmate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again next time.